The following message was transmitted by the Florida Emergency Management Agency. A unknown creature which is called Green Man Green Man has now roaming around cities like Pensacola, Jacksonville, Miami, Key West, Tampa, Gainesville, St. Augustine, West Palm Beach, Daytona Beach, Lake City, Kerrsville, Milton, mm, Port St. Joe, and all other cities. The governor of Florida has now been in a shelter. Res, Residents who live in these cities should be evacuated now and seek shelter. Stay tuned on this local media outlets for more updates on this dangerous situation. Beep, beep. Following message was transmitted by the request of Emer- the California Emergency Management Agency. A man that looks like a green with all green dress has now attacking all of these counties. This green man is supposed to be like way taller, and it has an unknown age, and we don't know what is the unknown height is. But California law enforcement police has now come to receive this message. For the following counties/areas that are highly dangerous. The highly dangerous are the red ones, are Los Angeles, San Diego. The orange ones are San Luis Obispo. The yellow ones are a little bit dangerous. Is Orange County, California. Thank you for listening to this message. Back to San Luis Obispo News Channel. Following message was transmitted by the request of the Texas Emergency Management Agency in conjunction with the National Weather Service. The green man has now caused a high wind, and this high wind is now very powerful. And do not go outside; it is now throwing dirt. High wind can throw dirt. Highway high high wind can throw dirt. Highways and interstates will be highways, interstate US routes will be impossible to see. For a high wind. All residents of El Paso, Hudspeth, and Arroyo must be evacuated now. Point measured by request of the National Weather Service in conjunction with the Kansas and Missouri Emergency Management Agency. A flash flood warning for all of Johnson Gaius plate Jackson MO Miami Emer for all of if you live in these counties, you might be evacuated now. As now a random creature which is called Green Man has now destroyed all of Green Man has now destroyed all of Johnson, Kansas plate Jackson in Miami. As now fears that it is not destroying and causing weather conditions. You should be evacuated now. Okay. You should be evacuated now. Stay tuned on this local media outlet for more updates on this dangerous situation with your radio. Beep, beep. The National Weather Service has issued a storm surge warning for Bonjour County, Miami-Dade County, Dade County, Dade County at 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Green Man has now attacking and spawning weathers. We don't know what is happening to this message. So this you know what's happening to this situation in this message. Let's now make the weather. It was part of the Green Man. The Green Man has now trying to destroy all of these counties. Back in now and stay in the. It just a storm, so stay in your house and imagine it takes the water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery power radio for more updates. And this tune to channel South Florida area news. There's some listening for this message. Thank you for listening to I'm giving you this message. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hampton and Normac, Virginia at 9 Eastern Standard Time. Just now, a severe thunderstorm warning is now started to this city. This thunderstorm has now passing through all Virginia, Tennessee, Kentucky, Florida, Alabama, Georgia, Mississippi, Arkansas, and Louisiana. North Carolina, South Carolina. That's now happening to this thunderstorm. Thank you for listening. So now this is happening to this thunderstorm. This thunderstorm has now struck millions of houses in these states. Evacuated in these states right now. No matter where you are in these states, you need to evacuate now. The unknown creature, which is called green, and has now destroyed all of these states. It is not that this thunderstorm is not happening around these states. Bring water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a power radio. Make to this message. Think with this message. If you live in these states, you'll be causing that this thunderstorm has now highly dangerous to destroy these states, and these states will be completely destroy states. No matter it's this thunderstorm got in our ways. Thank you for this message, for listening to this message.